Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Very quick video. Here we have 2009 Prius with only 115,000 miles on the odometer, so I will say low miles. I want to show you what you expect in this fuel prices crisis from used, relatively affordable Prius. So this one has this average on the display right now, and hopefully you can clearly see with me 45.7 miles per gallon. That's recorded in the vehicle's computer, right? These vehicles are cheaper and cheaper, and because this one has such a low miles, definitely that's something what I will still recommend buying and owning if it's in the good shape and it has a good initial inspection